Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your card onto the Cash App account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Cash App application on your device and then you will be asked to log into your account using your PIN code or your biometrics. So go ahead and use your PIN code or your biometrics and you will be able to log in to your Cash App account. Now from the home page, if you wish to add any card, then tap on your account icon at the top right corner and you will be taken into your account menu. Now from your account menu, if you scroll down, you will find linked banks. Go ahead and tap on linked banks and you will find the option to link your debit card. Tap on this option and now you can simply type in your card number and the following details. Just enter your debit card number followed by the expiration date, your 3-digit CVV number, and the zip code. After entering all of these informations, you can click on the link card option. In case you don't have a card with your linked bank account, you can also click on no card, and then you can fill up your bank account information to link your bank account with Cash App. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add your card onto the Cash App application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.